Hello everyone. In this short video, I am going to teach you how to make a sum of these highlighted entries. So for this, I need to first select the table, Control A, and then I'll press Control plus H for find and replace. And from the option over here, format, click on choose format from cell. When you click over here, you need to select the highlighted entries. So I'll just click on one entry over here, and then I'll click on find all. When you click on find all, it will select all the highlighted entries over here. And now I'll use Control plus A to select all the highlighted entries. After this, I'm going to give a name to my selected entries. So I'll give a name yellow. After giving a name, I will just put my cursor over here. I'll use the formula is equal to sum. I'll give the name which I've just given over here, yellow. After this, I'll close the bracket, hit enter. So in this way, I can easily calculate the highlighted entry sum. So I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.